Hi everybody, it's Crystal and Tara and my sister Michelle here today from Crafty Sides Wreaths and More. Thank y'all for coming with us. Look, we want to show y'all. I've made this double-sided wreath. You can hang this on your porch, and it's the deep burgundy sunflowers.
I love burgundy. It's real pretty. Yeah.
That, and then you can swing it, and you have the yellow sunflower on the other side. So like you can just put this on your porch and let the wind blow it, and that way it can be, and it's all waterproof. And it's two-sided.
That's
you
cool.
You can do any flower like that. So we wanted to show that to you. One of the new ideas. But I love that color, y'all. Look at that.
That is very pretty.
Can you see the sparkle?
I can see little sparkles.
Alrighty.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
Very pretty.
Very pretty.
Alrighty. Now, today I'll come to you with some ideas. If you're like me, you're just starting in this wreath stuff, you have to spend a whole lot of time doing research, and some of you just don't have time. So you just have to watch a few and go with the flow. So here we go. Now, if you're making wreaths and you need a centerpiece, like on these flower boards and stuff, so I showed y'all how to do that with the mesh screen. These are some ideas for some flower boards. You get these at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree specials, y'all. You know me.
Dollar Tree.
Okay. These are little coconut bikinis. The Dollar Tree, and there's two in there. And they already have the strings on the side.
Well, that's cute. Two of them for one. There you go.
So it's like 50 cents a piece now.
Yeah.
This could be your flower center. And they've already got the little hose in them so you can strap them down to your board with your zip ties or your, yeah. And, okay, that's funny. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tired today. Okay. Now, anyway, these are really, really cute. And you can leave them like they are, or you can spray paint them. Or you can glue stuff on them. Like you can take burlap rope and just go round and around and around and around. And it makes very pretty, or sequins, or glitter, or paint with glitter and make it real sparkly. You can do so many different ideas, and this is your background. And this is plastic, so it's
yeah, weatherproof. There, yeah.
And also it's perfectly sized. Perfectly sized. They're gonna make fun of me. Okay, and then they also had these at the Dollar Tree. These are like seashells. If you're going to do a beach wreath.
Oh, yeah.
A beach wreath. Or if you're going to do a mermaid. You know these little girls love
mermaids. Yeah.
You can just stick these around there for decorations. And again, you can paint these. And they have the hose. You can tie them down with.
Lighthouses are real good with these shells, too. Yeah.
Yes, with the starfish and stuff. It's very pretty. But anyway, they have these. And this is 50 cents a piece, y'all.
You can't beat that.
No. Any kind of ideas that you can come up with out of the box, go for it. Alright, now, Hobby Lobby.
Those are pretty.
These are found in the little girls' bedroom decorating sections. And they have different colors and different sizes. They have bigger, they have smaller, they have white, and this teal, and the dark pink. They have different colors too. And these are like
rubbery kind of maybe?
Rubbery, foamy, some stuff, but that it doesn't tear.
Oh, yeah.
And it will be weatherproof. And even the back.
Yeah, those
even the back is weatherproof. Yeah. And these will be perfect as decorations for Aloha, Hawaiian, any kind of beach themes, anything like this. And that right now at the Hobby Lobby, all these are 50% off. And they have gift boxes that has like 8, I think it's 8 or 10 of these in the smaller ones.
Mm-hmm.
And with the 50% off, it makes them like $5.50 or $6 for that many.
Well, that's pretty good.
As far as budget-wise, that's a really, really good deal for items to put on your wreath.
Yeah.
Okay, there's this.
And make it pop just a little bit.
Okay. And now, some of y'all that have pine trees in your yard at Christmas time, these are really, really what people put on their wreaths at Christmas time. You can get these out of your yard now while it's summer. If you're like me, let them dry out, keep them, and then you can spray paint these, and you can make a wreath. They have the little green styrofoam things at the Dollar Tree. Glue these around.
Yeah, that'd be pretty.
You can spray paint them before you put them on there. Be the best, that way you can get them all the way around.
Yeah.
And then, or you can just decorate with Christmas themes. But why buy them, y'all, when you can get them out of your yard or your family's yard, your neighbor's yard?
Right.
Gather these. You can get them before your husband runs over with a lawnmower and cuts them up. And they're whole and perfectly shaped. Save them for Christmas.
That would be pretty.
That's an awesome idea. And then here's the great big ones. If you're lucky enough, you can get those. Grab them. Because look how big and how pretty that is.
That is very pretty.
And that's another idea. Now, for another center idea, these are decorating ideas. You can buy a group of flowers, which you see I've already took some off. And you can take these off.
Oh, that was easy.
Take it off.
It just pops off.
Yeah, and you can either leave that on, and you glue it. Or I take clippers and I clip that little piece off, and then I glue right around through there and I stuff them on there. And you can use these. And when you buy a bunch of these, you can use to get several. And you can get all kinds of flowers at the Dollar Tree. Now, this didn't come from the Dollar Tree. This is, I think, Hobby Lobby. But Hobby Lobby right now, as far as I know, and was the last few days, all the flowers was 50% off.
That's
you
a
guys,
really good
it's the
deal.
best time. Yeah, it's the best time to get it because they have beautiful, beautiful flowers and those silk flowers.
They're silk flowers?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that'd be real nice, yeah.
Yeah, and they're better quality. They're really, really, really
Exactly.
nice. But 50% off is the way to go. All right, and that's not just the one coupon, I reckon, as far as I know now. When I went in there the other day, there was all 50% off.
That's good.
I have an idea. I know it's early, but Halloween. Halloween, y'all. Halloween.
All right.
The Dollar Tree wreath.
Spooks.
Now, I saw this on a little lady's page, and I absolutely loved it, so I had to share with you all. And I'm going to try to make one, too. Now, my grandson, he's got these little blue jeans, which you probably want a little smaller size, maybe like a 2T or something, or 18 months.
Yeah.
And I just rolled his up. And you take some zip ties,
Mm-hmm.
and you just, like, you can either put them through the belt loops, which I think would be a good idea, or you can actually make a little hole and put them through there. And the big zip ties. And then you can either do it like this, to work like he's wearing it,
Mm-hmm.
and put the zip ties through the hose here so it'll hold on really good and won't come out. You know, like put it right through there. And that would hold it up. And then, Chris, and anyway, you can take these and look, y'all. This is the bottom of a scarecrow wreath.
Oh, that would be cute.
Yes, you could take a ribbon and tie the bottom here and have some of the straw coming out, like
Yeah.
the bottom. You could even put patches on the knees.
That would
And
be
then
cute.
the little
Straw hats.
straw
and sides.
hats.
Yeah.
the straw hats here, and then decorate your wreath like you would with mesh and stuff. But
That would be very cute.
yeah, and they even have like around Halloween, they have like the round scarecrow round
Oh,
signs.
yeah.
You can actually put like the face or the sign
Oh, I see what
right
you're
in
saying.
your
Yeah.
center here. Then your hat up here,
Uh-huh.
and that down here, and that would be so cute. for
That would be very,
Halloween.
very, very cute. Yes.
Yes, and let me show you this. You know, the thing right now is that with wreaths, they're not just using mesh, they're not just using ribbon. They're coming out with so many different ideas, and now they're using material
That's real pretty.
to actually make like wreaths and decorations for your walls inside your house. Or even with this, you can put this inside your door, your glass door, as long as, because this is material. I found this at Hobby Lobby last week. $2 a yard on it, y'all.
Oh, wow.
$2 a yard. And then look, with this.
Matches perfect.
Uh-huh.
Pretty.
And you just cut it in your, which I'll try to show you all. But anyway, would that be a cute Halloween wreath? And you add ribbon and things to it. But this one you could actually like put inside at a Halloween party.
Yeah.
If your kid has a birthday party at Halloween, you always do it Halloween and birthday together.
Yeah.
You could do this
Like
for your
mine. Mine's on
decorations.
30th. There you go.
Well,
Halloween birthday.
Yeah, we gave you an idea.
Yeah.
Yep. But wouldn't that be so cute though? For Halloween, and I know it's early, but y'all,
I love those colors too. I love
Yeah.
purple.
I know I love how can it look glittery?
Yeah, I could catch a few of the glitters.
Yay! See, that's a perfect match. I was so pleased with that.
Yeah, that's very cute.
But Halloween ideas, y'all. Alrighty. And then for another center, they have these at the Dollar Tree. You can get 2 of them. They are sizes 4.8 inches times 0.75 inches. And
Dollar
you get-
Tree's got everything, don't they?
Yeah, but this is, you can use these for the centers. I'll tell you how I do mine. I take this and I poke 2 little holes
Oh,
right
there's
here.
2 of them.
Yeah, you get so it's 50 cents off of this. I poke 2 little holes in it,
Mm-hmm.
and then I take my wire or whatever you want to use, and wrap it through there.
Yeah.
Twist it on the back, and then I tie this to my flower board. I'll have this, and it'll come through my flower board and tie it on. And then I'll cover after I put this on there, I'll cover it, and that's just another way to put it on there, and it'll be stable because the piece, the wire
Yeah.
you put through there will hold it stable, and it'll hold it to your board or hold it to your wreath. And then you cover this and you can't see it.
Yeah.
And it'll keep it from, unless you literally just pull it off, there's about hardly no way it'll come off after that. But this makes really good, and it's a good size.
Yeah,
and
that is
these,
good size.
you can cut them down too. If you need to cut it down, you can cut them down. But you can cover these with so many different things. It's just another way you can make your centers.
That's a good idea.
Or any kind of decoration. You know what I thought? You know how you get on these those Walgreens places and you have pictures made, you have them made in a certain place. You can get a picture of a family or something that you want. Put it on here. Mod Podge it.
Yeah.
Mod Podge it. And then put like a ribbon around the side.
Right.
Put this on your wreath. You have a family photo
It's
on
personalized.
your wreath. It's personalized.
That'd
And
be neat.
it didn't cost you that much. And a lot of people have the pictures made like at Walgreens, different places.
Right.
But you can have it made this size, you know, and then Mod Podge it. There you go, guys. Personalized just for your house. Not just, you know, a lot of people are using the letters of the first names. You can actually put pictures on here too.
That would be very neat.
But yeah, the Mod Podge on there, and it's really, really nice. There's so many different things to make it yours.
Now,
It's-
what's this contraption here?
Alrighty, guys, you're gonna make wreaths, very many. If you can do it for yourself, you can probably just do it. But if you're gonna make very many, this is a deluxe easy bow maker. It was my birthday, and my little girl Jelena, she wanted to buy me something, and she had about $5. But you know, I think we give her the $5. But anyway,
it's all right.
yeah, 'cause she wanted to get me something, so we went to Hobby Lobby, and they had a 50% off coupon. This was $9.99. She got it for, I think it's $4.99 with her coupon.
Wow.
And so there was her $5 gift for me,
Aw.
and it was something that I wanted. And this is not hard. And you can make kids' hair bows out of the small. There's a little small stick here.
Oh, yeah?
And this one you can make little kids' hair bows, like little kids' hair bows. Like
Yeah.
you can make them for their head.
Yeah.
And then this one's for like the big hair bows. And this one right here actually holds your ribbon so that it doesn't move around on you.
Oh.
And it has the measurements on it. See?
Yep, I see
Where
that.
you can measure your bow as you're making it. I love this thing. It makes it so much easier to make a bow for anything. And I've made hair bows for the kids, and I've also done bows for my wreaths. But this is well worth $5, y'all.
yeah, definitely.
Awesome deal. And you know, well, if you're learning me, I'm all about deals. I really am. Alrighty, I want to show y'all another cute, simple little way to make a wreath. And they sell these at the Dollar Tree.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, they're whole like this. But where they meet is a seam. And you just take a little serrated edge knife or anything and cut it open. And this right here, y'all, are bath scrunchies.
Oh, wow. That's
You take the
neat.
little rope off of it that holds it together, and it just comes open. And all you gotta do is feed it on there. Let me show you.
Well, that's not very hard at all,
You just
is
feed it on here and scrunch it up. It's waterproof. It ain't gonna hurt it.
And it's going to take more than one.
It's gonna take more than one. I would suggest at least 4, maybe 5, because that way you'd have a big bubble. And then after you have this together, just to put this back together, you can take your hot glue gun and put it in there. And then take the floral picks. The floral picks that you stick in there on both sides, and that'll hold it. And then when you put this on, that'll be another support too.
Yeah.
And if you're gonna put a hanger on it, I would put the hanger right here. Attach it to both sides. That'd be another support, as long as you do it loosely. And then, but scrunch it up. And then you can put any kind of decorations. I thought it would be really cute if you could find like the black scrunchies, and then put like stars and moons,
Oh, that would
and
be
even
cute.
like dark navy blue and black, alternated.
Yeah.
And do like that, and that would be a cute little wreath. Or like white for a snowman. White with a snowman.
That
So
would be
many
cute.
different ideas.
Yeah.
But guys, this is a cheap way of making a wreath, and it's easy, and you know, it wouldn't be very expensive. If you bought 4 of these, you get them for like 2 for $1 or $1 a piece, and this is $1, and then you can decorate it. But there are so many ways that you can make these little decorations and make wreaths. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money. Now you can if you can, and you can make real nice ones. But there are also just real cute ones. Like if you was gonna do, I've got a birthday party coming up for my little girl, and we're gonna do it at Shopkins. And she come to me, and I hadn't even thought about it. You know, kids, they can come up with some things that just sparks you. And so now I'm definitely gonna try it. She said, "Mommy," she said, "I've been thinking about it." She said, "You said you was going to make me a wreath, and I'd offer a unicorn, different things, you know, because she, you know how kids are." Well, now she wants a wreath shaped like an apple with the Shopkins with a little face and stuff on it. You know, the Sarah Green apple that matches the Shopkins. So you know, I'm going to have to try this now. So
Yeah, you got to let us
y'all-
know how it comes out.
yeah,
there.
you're going to see, because that's what she wants for decorations for a party, and I'm also going to make some flowers and stuff. But for birthday parties, I want to show y'all what you can do for birthday parties, and you can make these yourself. Or hey, if y'all need some, you want me to make it? Ha ha ha! Remember me. I will sure oblige you. All righty.
Yeah.
Well, we come to you today, and my friends, we've had a little fun today, and we wanted to share with you all. But thank y'all for coming and joining us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.